So it turns out it did not end with a settlement in the whole "it ends with us" Blake Lively, Justin Baldoni legal fight. Lively is now asking Baldoni and his partners to pay damages and cover her legal fees from this battle. Remember, that's after both sides declared victory, basically, after a settlement earlier this week. Lively previously had accused Baldoni of sexual harassment a few years ago during production of that movie, "It Ends With Us." And she alleged his production company tried to publicly smear her when she complained. Baldoni denied the claims. A judge dismissed most of them last month. Let me get to Chloe Melas. Chloe, help me understand. I thought the drama was over. I thought it was done. You were on this week. We talked about it. It was settled, and that was that. Like, what's going on? Why is this a thing again?
It ends with us. What? Yeah. Okay, Hallie, that was yesterday's news. Today's news is that it ain't over. So Justin Baldoni, his defamation suit against Blake Lively, it was dismissed because of a new law that passed in California not that long ago. And as part of this settlement between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni that they reached earlier this week, they agreed that he was going to have to pay legal fees. But the thing is, there is going to be a court date, an arbitration date that Judge Lyman has not set yet on his calendar, but you might see it this summer, where both of their legal teams are going to go back to that federal courthouse in downtown Manhattan, and they are going to duke it out over how much the judge could potentially order Baldoni's team to have to play Lively. Could it just be the legal fees, which could be in the tens of millions of dollars, Hallie, or the punitive damages, the damages to her reputation, which we've seen in legal filings? She says she's lost about $100 million over all of the drama that has played out between their very bitter battle. So again, ultimately, Justin Baldoni could be out of pocket, or at least the insurance behind It Ends With Us, that company, or Wayfair Productions. I mean, somebody will ultimately potentially have to pay Blake Lively a lot of money, and we should have that answer pretty soon, Hallie. But listen, this has been messy for both of them and not a great look.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.